Get him! Oh, he got it! Pull it up, pull it up, pull it up, pull it up! What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Big Chief Outdoors. Today, we're out here fishing this river here in the middle of Dayton. Hopefully we're going to catch some smallmouth today. Actually, we're going to just catch whatever wants to hit, honestly. So, we'll keep you posted and make sure to watch the whole video. New lure right here. It's called a Hellgrammite. This is smallmouth's favorite bait to go after. They're little aquatic invertebrates that eventually turn to dobson flies, but you can go along the creeks, pick up rocks, you'll see these little suckers. This one is a little bit big for what they get. They're very aggressive. The real ones have these big pinchers on the front, and if you don't hold them right, they'll pinch you. So these are really good if you can find them in the river. I would very well use them for smallmouth as a bait choice. Got him one. Little rock bass. Oh, he's fighting.